Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And I was just tweeting, and I saw this tweet on the PancakeSwap page. You can see here we will be relaunching the syrup pool. The main thing was the Woo trader form is now live. Stake Woo BNB to earn cake, and guys, 3000 APR. If I go to the their website, the PancakeSwap, and if I go to the forms, you can see here stake liquidity LP tokens to earn. Okay, and here you can see we have the Woo BNB. They are giving you 2700% APR, guys. 2700 APR, guys, and now went down to 2500. The more the volume, the less the APR is going to get, and sooner you get the more APR you're going to earn. Okay, first you have to get the LP tokens. You have to stake. You have to buy some BNB and the cake tokens, and then the stuff. You can search on the YouTube, but the main thing is the update is the Woo BNB pair has been launched on the PancakeSwap. If I go here, this is their Woo website. You can see this one, and currently if you go to the coin market cap, you can see here they are currently ranked at 119 Woo trade. Okay, with well over 14,000 people on the watch list. They have 3 contracts: the Binance, the Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and the Heko. Yeah, of course, if they are listed on PancakeSwap, it means they have the Binance Smart Chain. So right now it is not showing that it is on the Binance, it is on the PancakeSwap, but we have just got the information of 10 minutes ago, and right now it is listed on the Huobi, Uniswap, Gate, and many other huge and big exchanges. And if I take a look at their different markets, the contract address, this is the ERC20 contract address. You see we have 2000 and 9299 addresses. Then Heko we have got 441, and on the Binance Smart Chain they have only 515. So the supply is very less at this case. If I go back here, you can see here the total supply. The total supply is around 3 billion. Okay, this is the 3 billion, out of which 13% is circulating. They have a volume well over 94 million. That's a good volume, and 83% increase in volume. That's only due to the PancakeSwap listing. So that's it, guys. I think you must take a look at the Woo trade. They have 32,000 followers. They only offer only platform to offer zero trading fees, deep liquidity, and customizable GUI. And that's it, guys. They have also, you see, PancakeSwap stake cake to earn Woo. So this is huge news for the Woo traders. So just enjoy the rewards. Just take your cake and earn the Woo coin. Okay, guys. So that was the short update on the PancakeSwap, the Woo trade coin APY. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.